Today we will perform the practical of mechatronics subject. It is second practical, bottle filling plant. So you can see here the bottle filling plant. It is totally manufactured with the help of our BE students. You can see the nameplate here also. Is in the project group. This is manufactured. Now you have the. I will start. In one brief, you can see this is a belt. It will rotate. Now one by one we will see the components of bottle filling plant. You can see here the proximity sensor. There is the LEDs, black LED and white LED, and the circuit is here. So the signal is getting generated when we put bottle in front of this sensor. You can see the signal is generated. This signal is through the wire. It is transferred to the electronic circuit. Here you can see the microprocessor and its circuitry. So the program is there. According to the program, the signal is input to this microprocessor, and also the additional circuit, there is a display. Here you can see the display, and then the power supply is a single phase transformer. So this whole is the electronic circuit, and the sensor comes, signal from the sensor comes, and it gives signal to the actuator, that is stepper motor. This motor is connected to the belt conveyor. So you can once again see the belt is rotating. So at the first station, here the motor stops and belt stops and water is getting filled. This is the first station. Then second is the capping station. In this, the another sensor is. Now you can see the whole bottle filling plant. The first sensor, where the in front of it the bottle comes and the stepper motor stops. Then water is getting filled. For that, timer is used for 6 seconds. The water filled can be up to 250 ml. Then it goes to capping station. From from this tube, the caps comes and it's getting tightened in the third station. Here you can see the motor. The motor and the cap can be inserted here, and the motor rotates, and the bottle will get tightened in front of this. Okay. Likewise, there is the cap can be tightened. For up and down motion of this mechanism, there is a mechanism which can be lifted up and down. So here is a pneumatic valve with, it can be connected with the pneumatic, it can be connected with compressor. So likewise, there is a arrangement for automatic filling of water bottles. Now this model is little bit under maintenance conditions. So we will highlight some major points.